Hello, dear students. In last lecture, we have discussed about the different fecal indicator organisms and bacteriological examination of water by means of different methods. Now, in this lecture, we'll discuss about the different water purification processes and why these processes are important. We'll discuss in this lecture. So, as we know, in municipal corporation, before supplying the water for household purpose, water which is stored in a tank are already processed by means of different primary, secondary, and tertiary processes. So, what are the meaning of that water treatment processes and why these processes are carried out? We will discuss in this lecture. So, water treatment is an individual scale process and is most important for making water more acceptable, or means we can say that water becomes potable for the human consumption to become for its use in drinking or industry purpose or for in medicine or pharmaceutical industries. So for this purpose, we need a pure form of water, or that we can say it should be uh, free from all kinds of microorganisms, so that that water becomes a potable. By the process of water treatment, it removes existing water contaminant or reduce their concentration up to safe level. Using physical process or different chemical process we can also use. In case of physical process, we use either a settling method or the filtration process, by which the suspended and settled down material from that from that water we can remove by means of physical process, or in case of chemical process like disinfection or coagulation. By means of chemical treatment, we can also add different chemical substance so that the unwanted odor or the color of that water we can remove, and so that the water becomes more uh, acceptable, so that human or the for the drinking purpose we can use that water. The term water treatment refers to potable water production from raw water, while wastewater treatment refers to treatment of polluted water. So here, by means of drinking water purpose, we can also use a treatment process, and for wastewater treatment, we can also use a treatment process. For the both the water, there are the different processes. In case of uh, raw water, which is collected from the rivers or the lake, that it is nothing but the use for the drinking purpose, while the wastewater treatment case, uh, that water is more polluted, so we need additional processes for the treatment of that polluted water. Since long years, rivers, streams, lakes have been used as a principal source of water for domestic, industrial, and agricultural purpose. So, for domestic purpose, we can use a water collected from the river or the streams or the lakes. Apart from that, from industrial point of view, we can also use that water. Again, from agricultural purpose, we can also use a wastewater, and that water is treated, and that water can be used for the agricultural purpose. Due to rapid industrialization and population growth, some river and streams get polluted with domestic water, domestic waste, and industrial waste. Thus, so that it becomes necessary to treat the water so that it can be reused without any harm. So these are nothing but the basic principle behind the treatment of water, so that that water becomes uh, potable for the human or animal consumption or industrial use. Apart from that, we can also remove the pollutant from that water, so that that water can be reused for different purposes, like agricultural purpose or industrial purposes also.